Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to use free and unlimited AI models with Ollama Cloud. Ollama guys, if you don't know, it's a website which provides you access to download and run AI models directly inside your machine. So this is their website ollama.com. You can download this software directly inside your machine. So after downloading it will look something like this. So it allows you to download any AI models. So right here you can search for any AI model. So if the model is open source, if the code is available, then you can directly download the model, such as GLM 5.2. So you can directly download this model if your computer is very good, then you can directly run this model. This is the command which is there. So they have this program called as Cloud. So if you open ollama.com and go to settings, so they have their own models present in the cloud. It's called as Ollama Cloud. So they offer this free plan, which is more than enough to actually try out. So if you see right here, I have this account cloud usage. If you see, it provides in every 3 hours, it provides you with 100% of usage. Similarly, you also have weekly usage as well, which resets in 6 hours. So every 6 hours, the usage reset. They have their paid plan as well. You can click on upgrade. The pro plan starts with $20 per month, but the free plan is more than enough. So Ollama Cloud, now to access it, it's very simple. Once you install this, you will be landing on this interface. So right here from the models, these are all cloud models as you see. GLM, Minimax, Gemma, Qwen 3, GPT, DeepSeek. So these are all cloud models. So these are completely free. And as I select the model, I simply send out a request. I send out a hi message. And now as you will see, some models need to be installed. So let me select this model, DeepSeek. Full model manifests file doesn't exist. Let me only select those models which are installed on my machine. So let me select this model, Gemma. So now as you see, it responded to us because I downloaded this model. So Gemma is actually developed by Google, 31 billion parameters. So it's actually available for totally free using Ollama Cloud. And let me actually ask any kind of question, top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. So simply I ask this question, it will research the internet and then it will give my the top 10 frameworks. So as you can see right here, it is researching and then it will give me the top 10 frameworks. So this is a completely free way by which you can use AI models using Ollama Cloud, and you can see it also generates a nice little description, the top 10 frameworks of Node.js. And now I can even tell to create an application. So I will simply say build a image to PDF advanced app with all options, create a index.html file. So you also have the option to upload files as well. So now as you see, it's very fast because it's actually using the Ollama Cloud API. So that's why it's actually generating the response very quickly. So you can see that now it's generating a fully fleshed image to PDF application. And you can just see right here how fast it is. So if you're looking forward for a free unlimited alternative, you can use this Ollama Cloud. It's completely free and you can use it for unlimited purpose. So it's actually generated the application for us. So right here you can copy this code, copy to clipboard. So this directly runs locally once you install this, and we can even actually make a complete PDF editor in PHP. So now I'm simply asking it in different language in PHP. So now once again, it will not take too much time. So it will generate a complete PDF editor. It will give you instructions right here, which commands to install, the directory structure, everything. So now as you will see, it is writing the PHP script for PDF editor. So you can see that it generated. You can even change the model. Gemma, Minimax, GLM, all these models are free. So before using it, you need to download these models as if they are inside cloud. Let me use this model, GPT. So again, as you see, it responded to us. Now we are using GPT. Here you can set this reasoning to high, low, medium. I can say which model are you using. So you can see that I am powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 architecture, the model behind ChatGPT. So in this easy way, you can use any kind of models. I can say build a React PDF editor, full stack app. So now as you see, we are simply asking it to create a full editor, PDF editor, full stack app in React.js. So as you see, it is now creating this. So production ready, it gives you the directory structure, everything. And all the files it will create package.json, then it TypeScript. So you can just see the speed guys of generating the code. It's very quickly it is generating it. And I basically use it this a lot. It totally saved me a lot of time. And it is totally free and unlimited Ollama cloud. Definitely use it. So simply download the Ollama and you can use all these models for totally free with the free plan. And so it generated a full stack React application in just 1 minute. So I think that this is a very good application, Ollama Cloud. And you just need to sign up. As you see, we sign up using my Google account. And you can check out your usage by going to settings. So now as I use the model, 1.9% has been consumed. So it never goes to 100% in my case. So it almost reset after every 3 hours. So it will automatically reset to 0% after 3 hours. So it actually have a nice limit. It exactly tells you which models you have used, Gemma, GPT, how many requests you have made. So definitely try this guys, Ollama.com, Ollama Cloud. This is a nice little models which are there on the cloud. You can locally download the model as well through Ollama. If you have a powerful machine, all the models downloaded will be stored inside this location. So definitely check this out. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.